Five things I wish I knew before 25. Number one, people come and go. You cannot tie people down. You cannot tell them not to go. People come and go. So the earlier you realize that people cannot stay forever in your life, the better for you. Just enjoy the seasons, enjoy the moments, enjoy the laughter, the sadness, the heartbreaks, everything, and believe that someone else is coming to make your life better or worse. People come and go. People cannot stay. People cannot stay for long in your life. So I've had so many seasons in my life. I've lived so many lives, and I've met people at that stage. At every stage of my life, I met people, and they did not stay. Some I don't even remember. Likewise, I know some don't remember me as well, but they fulfill their purpose in my life. They've taught me all the lessons I need to move to the next phase. So all the heartbreaks, the joy, the sadness, the relief, the whatever is what made me who I am today. So yes, people come and go. You cannot tie them with rope. You cannot tie them down. This is supposed to be a serious video, but let's lighten up. Number two, comparison is a thief of joy. Yes, in my early 20s, I used to compare myself a lot, but I realized, I think it was last year. Was it last year or last 2 years that I discovered that this thing is such a waste of time? Why are you comparing yourself with this person? You don't even know this person. To be honest, you know, especially Instagram. Instagram is such a highlighted reel of someone's life. All the upside, the the fine part, the shiny part. That's what they edited to post for you, and you're like, ah, oh my god, I wish I. Do you know this person? I know somebody somewhere comparing his or herself to me, but do you know me? Do you know the battles I face behind Instagram, behind WhatsApp, behind Facebook? When I realized that I don't even know all these people at all, even if I've encountered you before, if we've made acquaintances before, I still don't know you like that. I don't know anything about you. I just know that this is your name, this is where you're from. I don't know anything about you. Why am I comparing my life with you? We have different journeys. My own life chapter is different from your own. You might have reached where you're supposed to reach. Maybe I still need some work to do. I still need to learn one or two things before I can reach where you are. And we often compare ourselves to people that are doing better than us. Does that not tell you something? It's telling you that you desire this thing, but you've not reached there. Maybe because you are not ready yet, or maybe because you don't have what it takes to get there yet. So instead of comparing yourself to this person, feel inspired. If it is person's progress, you want to be at a certain stage in your business, you know someone that's reached there. Instead of you comparing yourself, oh my god, you don't know how many the blood, sweat, tears that has gone into the hard work and the success you are seeing right now. Do you have the same? You don't know the privileges this person has. You don't know if this person has more money than you, more connections than you, more people than you, more support, more prayers, more everything than you. And you are not comparing. I have stopped comparing myself a long time. I just wish you well and I move on. Yeah. Three, reconnecting with old friends is such a waste of time. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it because there's nothing good that will come out of it. Like I said, you met this person at an entirely different season of your life. This person was meant to serve a purpose at that season. So you reconnecting that person in another season is such a waste of time because number one, you don't even know this person anymore. You don't know this person anymore. You guys have changed in so many ways. So reconnecting with this person is always end in disaster or you guys splitting again. So there's no point. Don't reconnect with that old friend. You might regret it. And you might not. Good things take time. Number four. Good things take time. Anything that is worth it, that is going to be good, will take time. So invest in time and wait it out. Wait it out. That nice, lovely couple you are saying they've invested time in their relationship. That well-to-do 9 to 5 or you're saying that person has invested time, sweat, resources into his or her career. That business that you want it to blow up, you are going to have to chill and invest more time for it to go well, right? So time, 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 consistency. Yeah. So I'm only saying all this from my own perspective and what I have seen in my own life before I clocked 25 or 26. Yes, every good thing in your life is going to take time. So, yeah. Number 5, if you feel stuck, that means you are growing. Yes. If you feel stuck and you're like, I'm not doing enough right now, what is going on? Nothing is moving. That means you're actually growing. You are experiencing some tough time because you are growing. That tough time you're experiencing is going to shape you, going to prepare you for what is ahead, what is good ahead, what is great ahead. And we are feeling stuck like, oh my god, I feel like I'm wasting my life. I feel like I'm not doing enough. It means that everything you wish you would have done in the past, you've achieved them, you have done them. That means you are looking for new goals. You are looking for the next milestone. You are not stuck. You are growing. You are showing improvements of, or you are showing evidence of growth. You are showing evidence of growth. You are growing. That's it. So if you ever feel stuck, just know that this too shall pass, and you shall find your feet again. So that's all I have for you. 5 things I learned before 25. And I wish this could be longer. I've learned a lot in my years. And yeah, so many things going to my head right now. That's why I'm smiling and I'm, you know, lost in my speech. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao, ciao.